Welcome back to Encouraging Things. And happy Fallout Day, everybody. For those of you who don't know, October 23rd, 2077, in the Fallout canon, is Fallout Day, or the day that the bombs were dropped. I don't know if you want to call it a happy Fallout Day, but for us, it's a great day to make something new. What we're going to make is we're going to make a custom Hot Wheels using a 3D printed Plymouth Fury body, or as Fallout likes to call it, a Chrysalis Highwayman. I'd like to go ahead and take a moment to thank my patrons, those people who are supporting the channel by supporting me through Patreon. I really appreciate everybody who does everything for this channel, whether it's follow, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Everything helps. Whether you leave a comment, positive or negative, whether you like or dislike a video, whether you help out or just come back for a second viewing. I will say that I appreciate everything, because every action that you take that helps me out just a little bit is one that you didn't have to take. But you did because something I did made you want to. And I appreciate that. And if you'd like to become a patron over on Patreon, you're more than welcome to. For as little as $1 a month, you can help support the channel and myself. So once again, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, and now back to the video. So how did it turn out? As always, I'm very proud of what I've created. The 3D model that's available on Thingiverse that I downloaded for free is excellent and works really, really well as a Hot Wheels sized car. And I'll even say that the print errors, the bumps, the ridges, things like that, work really well to really bring out the futuristic, broken nature of the vehicle. I don't think it would work perfectly as a Gaslands car because it's not technically armed, but you could run somebody over with it. However, I do encourage each and every one of you to go out and find yourself a Hot Wheels car, to take it apart, fix it up, paint it, add greeblies, do whatever it is you need to do in order to make the car your own. You can make it for Gaslands, you can make it a prop, you can make it whatever you want. But it's always important that whatever you do, you be proud of what you did, no matter how it turned out. And as always, I'd like to thank you all for stopping by and for watching.